The automotive world erupted in news today as General Motors officially announced it was shutting down plants across North America. GM is trying to justify the closures as a restructuring, part of a global plan to retool for electric and autonomous vehicles, eagerly noting that it plans 20 new electrified models by 2023. This included an attempt earlier this year to shut down its Korean operations, as well as recently offering buyouts to more than 18,000 workers, with the expectation that layoffs could follow next. Things aren't getting any better for electrified vehicles at the moment though, as GM announced that the Chevy Volt is also being killed off. A GM spokesperson has confirmed to Jalopnik that production of the Volt will end on March 1st, 2019. The company announced that it's planning to close several U.S. factories pending negotiations with the United Auto Workers Union, as well as discontinuing a number of cars in 2019, including Oshawa Assembly in Oshawa, Ontario, Canada, which produced the Chevy Impala and Cadillac XTS, Detroit-Hamtramck Assembly in Detroit, which produced the Buick LaCrosse, Chevy Volt, Chevy Impala, and the Cadillac CT6. Lordstown Assembly in Warren, Ohio, which produced the Chevy Cruze, Baltimore operations in White Marsh, Maryland, which produced full-size pickup transmissions, and the Warren Transmission operations in Warren, Michigan, which produced 6-speed transmissions for a number of cars included on this list. These closures are devastating news for up to 14,000 of the industry workers at risk of losing their jobs. In the coming days, we'll have a sense of how GM's decisions will weigh on the communities, towns, and states that rely on them.